Hello, welcome back. Let's solve Leetcode number 15 prism. Okay, so the problem is given an array of integer. So our task is to return on the triplets such that it I different with j, I is not equal to k, and I is not equal j also not equal to k, and nums at I plus num as j plus num as k is equal to 0, and the solution must not contain duplicate triplets. Okay, so for this problem, I think before we solve this problem, I would recommend you to take a look at the previous video on my channel about the problem is to sum version 2 to input array is sorted. It's very useful for you because in this problem we will apply exactly the same technique that we use to solve the two sum problem version 2 input array is sorted. Okay, so let me explain. So for example, we have this array. Okay, so first of all we will need to sort it in the ascending order. So if we sort it in the ascending order, the array will become -4, -1, -1, 0, 1, and 2, right? And we will need to find all triplets that adds up to 0, so we will consider 0 as the target. And okay, so let's see, the array now is -4, -1, -1, 0, 1, and 2, and our target now is 0. Okay, and well, we will need to find all triplets that add up to the 0, right? So to do that, we will need to have a for loop through the whole array. Okay, so we will loop through each number, and for each number we will need to find two numbers that will add up to 0 minus numbers at I, right? Because so for example if we are checking at this number, so -4, we will need to find two numbers that will add up to -4, to 0 -4, which is 4. So if it exists two numbers that add up to 4, it means we have the triplets that adds up to 0, right? Okay, and to do that we will apply exactly the same solution as we did to solve the problem, the two sum version 2 input array is sorted. Why? Because we noticed that the remaining array is already sorted, right? So we will apply exactly the same solution of two sum version 2 using two pointers, right? Left and right pointer. We will sum two numbers at left and right together and compare with the new target, right? So that's it, that's on the idea. So I think we can dive into the implementation. Okay, with the constraints. Okay, so I think there is no edge case for this problem, we can implement it without checking for edge case. Okay, so first of all we will need to sort the input array, right? Sort nums in ascending order, and then we will loop through from the beginning to the end of the array. Okay, and then we will have the target is 0, right? And so we, for each number, we will have a new target is target minus nums at I, right? And then we will need to check for the remaining of the array to find two numbers that can add up to the new target. Okay, so we will have left pointer is starting from I plus 1, and then we will have the right pointer is from nums dot length minus 1. Okay, why left pointer is less than right pointer, so we will have sum is equals to the nums at left plus nums at right. If sum is equal to new target, so we have the answer. We will add. Okay, so we need to declare a list of list integer of answer is equal to new array list, right? We will add to the answer add array as list. We will need to add numbers, right? Not the index, so we will add okay, nums at I, nums at left, and nums at right. Okay, so if sum is less than target, the new target, so we will increase the left pointer, else decrease the right pointer. Okay, and then finally we return the answer. Okay, let's try. Okay, so got wrong answer. Why? Because we are returning one duplicate triplet. So how to filter it out? Well, so we can change this one from list to set. So as it's a set, all duplicate triplets will automatically eliminate it. And then when we return, we will need to convert it again to the array list. Sorry, it should be new hash set, right? Okay, accept and try to submit. Okay, accept.